Hi and welcome to our review. The scooter that we're about to see is the lightest scooter in the world at only 13 kilograms. It's unique to us and it's called the Scooty. We do sell a selection of other lightweight folding scooters as well, and you'll find videos of those, all of those, on our website. So here is the Scooty. I'm going to remove the bag that's included with it. Bag just clips on the back of the seat, a nice deep pocketed bag with a zip on it. Remove the basket, mesh basket, obviously very lightweight. At the bottom here, this is where you'd put your feet. They fold away too. The headlight, light up the path in front of you. Dismantle the scooter now. There's a quick release catch on the seat post. Just release that, lift the seat out. Seat folds into two halves. Folds up nice and neat. And this is the battery pack, lithium battery. You can charge this battery on or off the scooter. If it's more convenient, leave the scooter in the car and take the battery into the house to charge it separately. Now I'm going to show you how you would lift the scooter. You drop the steering column. There's a Velcro strap, a black Velcro strap, which goes around the steering column to stop it all flapping about and keep it nice and solid. And it makes it much easier to lift. All we've removed from this is the baskets, and it's so lightweight, very, very lightweight, 13 kilos. It does up to 8 miles per hour too. It's got speed settings of 3, 6 and 8. You can wheel it around and take it up to the boot of the car, maybe put the front wheel onto the car boot and lift from the back to make it even lighter to lift into the boot of your car. Speed settings 3, 6 and 8 miles per hour. Nice comfortable high back seat, twist grip and a manual braking system, just like on a bicycle really. This scooter is a British design and sold by a British company. It's unique to us at Scooty Mobility. Hello and welcome to Scooty Mobility, home of the lightest mobility scooters in the world. This is our selection of super lightweight foldable mobility scooters. You'll find videos of each of these models on our website. So this is the Supalite mobility scooter. It's one of the very lightest mobility scooters in the world, only 17 kilograms. Manually unfolds, but it's very, very easy. And this is the newer version that I'm unfolding here. The old version that you may see advertised elsewhere, a little cheaper, manufacturer's clearing, has a smaller seat and doesn't have a removable battery and has smaller wheels at the back. So it's quite a difference on this new one. Removable battery comes out in a second, so you can charge that either in the house, on board or off board the scooter. Maybe leave the scooter in the car. Tyres are filled with a soft foam, high-tech soft foam to make a nice comfortable ride. You can't get a puncture. It looks small, but it's not. It's got plenty of room for a big chap like me. Nice comfortable seat. You can put your feet further forward on the little rack at the front. On-off button if you like, or the on-off lever, highly manoeuvrable. You set the speed that you want to go and then just press that lever or pull that lever. Adjustable height for your comfort. And extremely lightweight. They don't come as light as this. It's got a little removable handle so that you can wheel it around behind you like a suitcase, and that folds away nice and easily. So just tow it behind you again, just like a suitcase. When you finish, fold that away again. So there you have it. That's the Supalite mobility scooter. Maximum range of 9 miles, every time it's charged up, and very, very lightweight, only 17 kilograms. Just compare that with anything else on the market, there is nothing. Hello and welcome. This is our review of the lightest mobility scooters that we stock. These are the lightest that you can possibly buy anywhere. Here we have the extreme lightweight carbon fibre mobility scooter. Carbon fibre, of course, is what's used in the manufacture of racing cars and aeroplanes. So it's very, very strong, but also extremely lightweight. Here you can see the scooter being manoeuvred around. It's very manoeuvrable even in tight spaces indoors. Plenty of leg room, nice comfortable seat. Now, the armrests weren't available at the time that we were doing this filming, but if you can imagine two padded armrests either side of the seat, they're included. It's a nice comfortable seat, easily folded, removable lithium batteries, so you can take them out and charge them elsewhere, so you can charge either on board or off board the scooter. This is the freewheel lever to put it into neutral so you can push it around. It folds up extremely easy and in seconds. Then of course you can tow it around like you would a suitcase. It's a great little scooter, this. Top quality. Carbon fibre is obviously an extremely expensive product, but so no corners have been cut on this scooter. That's the carbon fibre you can see all over it. Tyres are puncture proof, filled with a soft foam inside, so it gives a nice comfortable ride, just like air-filled tyres, without you risking having a puncture. Hello and welcome to Scooty Mobility, home of the lightest mobility scooters in the world. This is our selection of super lightweight, foldable mobility scooters. You'll find videos of each of these models on our website. Here I'm going to demonstrate the brand new, all new for 2022, our Autofold scooter. It has now the addition of suspension. Here you can see it unfolding. It will stop when it's halfway unfolded. Make sure nothing's caught up in the workings or somebody's got their foot trapped or whatever. And then you press it a second time for it to complete its motion. And then it will complete. Lift the backrest up and the steering column adjusts to different heights for your comfort. And also for your comfort, it adjusts to different angles. That's a feature that's not often found on folding mobility scooters. Very comfortable, lots of leg room on the scooter and easy to operate. Puncture proof tyres, so you can't get a puncture, but it still gives a nice, soft, comfortable ride. This is the suspension. This is the new feature for 2022 that we've added to the scooter. Removable battery. You can charge this battery on or off if you buy the optional off-board charger. But as standard, it doesn't come with that. Now, this brand new scooter, just been unpacked today, has come without the armrest, but there are armrests to go onto this scooter, either side, for your comfort. Control panel, with the remote control on it. You also get included a rear bag to put your bits and bobs in. It hangs off the back of the seat. And now I'm going to show it folding up again. Again, it will stop halfway to make sure nothing's caught up in the workings. You press it a second time for it to complete the motion. And if we leave the steering column in the raised position, you can use it like a suitcase, wheel it behind you to get it from A to B. Only weighs 22 kilos, this one. 22 kilos is not the lightest one that we sell, but this is a very comfortable scooter with lots of other features. So it's slightly heavier than some of the other scooters that we sell.